Moses Kuria akoretwo one of the biggest Mount Kenya people aria me thirikari-ini ino ya Kenya Kwanza na ajire CS wa trade ni athiangite CS wa department nyingi muno na recently ararigiriirie eta advisor State House kwirikanaga mundu angikarutwo gite kia CS kana another seat in government wiguo wita economic advisor State House advisor it means that your services are no longer needed in government, especially thirikari no ya Kasongo iria kurerekana ati it is a one man show ati gutire CS wina power gutire mundu wina power ungikona niwekiro utwike State House advisor just know where how to upoke mshahara tu na usiwe ndio usionge no Moses Kuria ni atwarirwo gite kia State House advisor na arakoro very loyal but recently tukoretwo tukiona maundu maria matumite andu makoro magiciriria maybe he is on his way out of the government. Recently Gachagua ari kuria kanithini wa PCA mwiki na katokea vurugu pale hivyo nituonire Moses Kuria ari among andu aria makorirwo maria mbere gukorwo magitweet na makiandika ari andumiriri iria ciakorirwo cikimakia andu makiurania is Moses Kuria on his way out. Kuria nende shike cia X adikire this is utterly ungodly. Leave your backward and primitive political wars out of places of worship. Today was AIPCA Kennel reloaded. The lightning that will strike us is still loading. Pole sana Rigathi. This was on 6th of April. Thutha dadicate udoge ginya 8th of April haria ekirire emoji cia maithori and heartbreak. The next time akoro agetweet ni muthenya wa umuthi na governor wa Meru when the president was there in Meru na bado negukoretwo gukirekererio ndumiriri iria irauga ati Moses Kuria, a presidential advisor on circumnavigation matters, is being frustrated and edged out of government by Kasongo's people. Today Mutha received a letter from Felix Kosgei asking him to surrender his official vehicle. The persecution is coming as a result of the tweet he made saying, "Pole to Gachagua. I don't sympathize with Moses. A friend of a hyena does not count the number of bites." Ino ne dumereri ya kugate thaishi Moses Kuria is facing a lot of intimidation at State House. Na in politics nothing happens out of mere coincidence. Maudo more the mekikaga hena gitumi na hena kidu kirenda ku achieve hagikoro hena rumors na kana hagikoro hena anything that happened ya kuonania ati Moses Kuria ni aratunyirwo gari kana ni araritwo asarende gari, then that is the biggest red flag. That is the biggest red flag. Na Moses Kuria nafati amenye he is on his way out. Now Moses Kuria akoretwo akionia murango thirikari-ini ya Kenya Kwanza from Mount Kenya twajiria na Rigathi Gachagua, and sadly riria Rigathi Gachagua impeachagwo Moses Kuria was the first person gukorwo agitweet na kuga ati an impeachment is loading. Second person netuonete Kuria committee chairs Dede Nyoro, Senator for Nyandarua, Senator for Kiambu, Karugo Athang'wa, Medhu, actually all the Makiruto budget committee chairs, all those committee chairs. Now that is a demotion. Bado netuonete Justin Muturi agitunyokithio gite giake. So we are seeing a lot of Mount Kenya people being suppressed. Bado netuonete adu aria maybe kurerikana ati nio maratigarite tatu takiabu tukona ta baba yao na kenya ranyitetwo. Some people are being suppressed they have a voice in Mount Kenya. Now this is something that is going on right now. Na gwiciria it is going to get to a boiling point. Na riu Kenya riu nimegukoro na ciuria muno adu a kirima nimegukoro na ciuria hari thirikari because Gachagua out, Dede Nyoro out, Senator Medhu out, Karugo Athang'wa out, Justin Muturi out, and now Moses Kuria out.
Moses Kuria is one of our most bright leaders from the Mount Kenya region. And today he's in problems. When Moses Kuria was Minister for Trade, he is the one who started the county aggregation and industrial parks. A brilliant idea. Since they removed him from there, that project is stuck. And when I asked President why he's sacking him, he said that he's a thief. You know? So today I'm wondering, I have seen Moses Kuria is being auctioned. If Moses Kuria had stolen anything from anybody, how come he has nothing? He has no money to pay his debts, you know? And I knew, you know, the issues that took place in Kenya National Trading Corporation, KNTC. The procurement was done in State House. And when they brought edible oil and rice and there was a scandal, they wanted to push it to Moses Kuria and another lady called Pamela who has been taken to court. And they have used this thing to intimidate Moses Kuria, that they can open, trumped up charges against him. But I really want to ask a question. I was asking myself, if the way the president told me he removed Moses Kuria as minister because he was corrupt, how come today that Moses Kuria, today the court allowed these things to be auctioned? If he had money he had stolen from the ministry, he would be able to pay his debts. Again, the president did not want any leader from the mountain who has a brain, who is principled, and who can do anything. That is why he got rid of GACHAGUA, Moses Kuria, Methekali Nturi, Justin Muturi.
But you're talking about Moses Kuria, who's the economic advisor to the president.
I am saying you cannot remove.
So he's not getting rid of.
You cannot get a man as minister and make him an advisor. That is a joke. It's like chasing away a wife and making him a maid in your house. It's very disrespectful.
Okay.
But I want to say,
yes,
Moses Kuria, you cannot replace Moses Kuria with William Kabogo. It's an insult to the people of Kiambu and the people of the mountain. Moses Kuria is a brilliant mind. And I can tell you this idea of KIPES that Moses Kuria came up with. Had the president allowed him to stay as minister for investment, trade, and industry, today, those things will be working. And we will not be having the situation we are having with avocado, with carrots, with potatoes. Yeah? But because he's a brilliant mind, yeah, he had to be edged out and given some peripheral job there who advised me on this and that. And Moses Kuria cannot advise William Ruto. William Ruto takes no advice.
Some questions need to be asked. Are Murima people safe? Ado akirima me safe thirikari ya William Ruto? Na KURIA